Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have come up for a very important topic of gender equality. Now, do you know there's a report published by World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021. And do you know where India ranks in that? India has slipped 28 places to rank 140 among 156 countries in this report. Even countries like Bangladesh ranks 65, Nepal is at 106, Pakistan is at 153, Afghanistan is at 156, Bhutan at 130 and Sri Lanka at 116. Even these smaller countries rank above India. Now, do you know what are the criteria by which they give the rankings to these countries? Global Gender Gap Index, GGGI, is based on basically four important things. The first one is economic participation and opportunity. The second one is economic attainment. Third is health and survival. The fourth is the political empowerment of women. So these four things contribute to GGGI, Global Gender Gap Index. India has closed 31.6% of the gap on this sub-index. 31.6% is too low a figure according to me. This gap is in unskilled, low skilled and also on high skill segment. So all across equally women are not getting the employment. Women above 15 years, the total participation of women above 15 years is 26.4% in rural area and 20.4% in urban area. So, and you must be knowing that the women population in India is more than 50%. And do you know the reasons why this gender inequality is there? This is on account of supply and demand. So basically, supply is more, demand is quite less. There's a lot of movement of women from agriculture sector to informal and casual sector. So therefore, the demand, the supply is much more than what is required. The second one is this challenge has been exacerbated by pandemic. So in this pandemic, a lot of women have lost their jobs. Now what will happen is later, whenever job is created and they are given the job, they will get an inferior jobs. Persistent drop in income will happen. And third one is the legal reform, gender responsive social protection and public service delivery systems. Quotas for women representation, support for women's movement have made a difference.